Hi guys! How's it going? My name is Jabu, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the latest K series of WAINLUX laser engravers, which is the WAINLUX K10. WAINLUX has been very kind enough to send us their latest product for us to try. So join me as we take a look at what's inside. So first, let's check if there is any damage to the packaging. Just so we have proof in case the item is damaged. There are a few dents, but nothing serious that we might need to worry about. Let's have a better look at the box and see what is written. First, we have to remove this billing statement. I hope we won't damage the prints on the box. Oh. Well, I guess we can't prevent it from tearing. The adhesive is very strong. So here is the billing statement. Let me cover it for some privacy. Here is what is underneath, an image of the WAINLUX K10 model. Very nice isometric view. Two sides indicate the brand, quantity, and measurements, and the other side shows the image of the WAINLUX K10 model. Now let's get our blades so we can open the box. We have to be very careful not to cut deep so we can avoid damaging whatever is underneath. So it is a box inside a box. I guess this is the real packaging of the product. A gray box. I figured it would be way faster to get this other box if we flipped it from top to bottom. Let's get this box out of the way. So here is the more appealing packaging of the WAINLUX K10 laser engraver. I like how they chose the monochrome theme, it suits my style. I love it. Guys, as you can see here, there are two variants of the K10 model, the Pro and the Basic. Let's just call it the Basic model for now. We have the Basic model, which includes only the unit itself. The Pro version comes with a different type of laser head, which I will flash on your screen. On the other side are just a few minimal details, and just like on the bigger box, it has the brand, quantity, and measurements. Now it's time to see what's inside. First, we have the user's manual. and 2 pieces of 10mm by 10mm by 3mm wood board. The foam is thick and will surely prevent the item from major damage. Here is the K10 laser engraver, wrapped in a nice plastic. Let me put it here for a moment and let's check if it has more items inside. So yeah, that's all. Let's get this box out of the way for a moment. Oh my god. Wow! I really like the design. It gives me the Gundam impression. I don't know if you watched the show, but man, this model is so cool. From the colors used and how they designed the prints. I am truly loving the design. It's like owning a Gundam merch. Kudos to the design team. You did a great job. The case is made from plastic and has a glossy texture. You can feel the bumps on the prints, which I think are the result of the silkscreen printing method. I'm not sure, so I may be wrong. On the backside, we can see the fan, which has a smoke exhaust pipe connection. And here we can see the ports. It has a TF card slot and an upgraded connection, which is a USB Type-C, DC 12-volt socket, and a shaft connection socket. It also comes with a free 512 MB micro SD. As I said earlier, the exhaust is also on the back side and has a connection port for the MD22 air purifier accessory. You can always buy it separately on their website. Also on the lower part we have the product labels, which indicates the model, input, electric and laser power. The right side looks exactly like on the left side, only mirrored. Now onto the light shield. Let's remove the protective film or paper to reveal its true beauty. Inside the engraver we have the power adapter and tools. Taking the toolbox is hard, so I'm just going to speed it up. Guys, this is the laser module for the WAINLUX K10, not Pro. The focus method is by rotating the laser knob left and right. This is the fan when you look from the inside. Let's remove the remaining protective film. Look at how beautiful that is. I was wondering why I can't move the engraver across my desk. It's because of this anti-skid that is on the bottom of the K10 engraver. For me, it is a must-have on this kind of small engravers. It prevents the engraver from accidentally moving while we are engraving. Now let's check what's on the toolbox. Inside we have a Type-C USB connector. The quality is beyond my expectation. We also have a brush, an Allen wrench, a marker pen which is used when engraving on a transparent material, two pieces laser focus paper and 2 pieces craft paper. Let's set this aside. And now we open the power adapter box. It is a standard AC-DC power adapter which has 12-volt output. At the top, we can see a large print of the K10 model, still giving me a Gundam vibe. On the lower part we have the power button and offline engraving key. We also have the status indicator which lights up when we power it on. I really love the design and the choice of colors they used for the K10 model. This is a design that you want to see every day and not get tired of. So guys, that's it for this unboxing video. I will be reading this whole user's manual and I hope you'll join me on my next video, which we will try to engrave on glass and wood material using the all-new WAINLUX K10 laser engraver. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one. Cheers!